Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so this is all about the sequence of mitosis. Okay, and recall that before mitosis occurs, there's this interphase, right, where in interphase, the DNA is duplicated. Okay, so the DNA is duplicated in interphase, and then we will sort of jump into our first section of mitosis. So then mitosis can occur. And the first thing that's going to happen is we have in our cell the DNA that's duplicated lines up, right? So now that we have two of them, they're gonna sort of find each other and line up. Okay, and so this pairs lining up is called prophase. Okay, this is prophase, and then this is going to go to the next phase here. And what's going to happen is they're going to kind of, now that they've paired up, they're going to line up sort of at the center or the equator of the cell, right? And these mitotic spindles will start to form. Okay, and this happens in metaphase. All right, then the next sort of stage, or I guess it'd be more appropriate to call them phases, is where they get pulled apart. So we have the cell, and these spindles have sort of yanked each half apart. Okay. So these sister chromatids get pulled apart, and this is in anaphase. Okay. And then we have one last sort of phase here, and this is going to happen where the cell sort of pinches in the middle, and then sort of eventually separates into the two identical daughter cells, right? So here we're going to have something like this, and this is occurring in telophase and cytokinesis, which often get lumped together depending on how involved your study material is. So telophase and, let's see if I have room here, cytokinesis. Okay, and so then now our job is to just find the solution that has these in the correct order, right? And so you can see very quickly then that choice D has prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and cytokinesis listed. So the answer here we're looking for is D.